Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're going to be talking about the best Fantastik spray cleaner with bleach. If you want a cleaner that tackles tough stains without leaving behind any smears, you're in for a treat. Let's get into it. Fantastik All-Purpose Cleaner with Bleach is a versatile cleaning solution that works on virtually every surface in your home. Whether it's your countertops, stovetops, sinks, or even your shower doors, this cleaner is designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more effective. It's not just a cleaner, it's a powerhouse that tackles food stains, greasy soil, soap scum, and even mold and mildew stains. But what makes it stand out from the rest? It combines the cleaning power of bleach with the convenience of an all-purpose cleaner. The beauty of this product lies in its efficiency. Instead of using multiple products for different surfaces, Fantastik simplifies your cleaning routine with just one bottle. From your kitchen to the bathroom, this cleaner gets the job done on a wide range of surfaces. It's especially effective on stainless steel, chrome, tile, grout, and vinyl surfaces. If you have tough kitchen grease or soap scum that's been building up in your shower, Fantastik will cut through it in no time. Another great feature of Fantastik with bleach is that it leaves behind no smeary residue. This is a big deal because, with other cleaners, you often have to deal with streaks or a cloudy finish. With Fantastik, it's a clean surface every time, shiny, spotless, and fresh. Speaking of freshness, Fantastik All-Purpose Cleaner with Bleach also leaves your home smelling clean. It's not an overpowering scent, just a fresh, pleasant fragrance that makes your cleaning experience that much more enjoyable. And if you've been fighting mold or mildew in your bathroom or kitchen, this cleaner doesn't just hide the smell. It eliminates the source of the odor, leaving your space truly fresh. The convenience of this cleaner is also worth mentioning. The 32-ounce bottle is just the right size for everyday cleaning needs, and with a pack of 4, you'll have plenty of cleaner to tackle those tough messes over the long haul. Whether you're deep cleaning or just doing a quick touch-up, Fantastik is there to make the job easier and faster. Fantastik is a reliable and powerful solution for anyone who wants a cleaner that does it all. With its bleach-enhanced formula, it not only cleans but also disinfects, killing bacteria and germs while removing stains. It's perfect for those who want to keep their home spotless without the hassle of multiple cleaning products. To sum it up, if you're looking for a cleaner that's tough on stains, gentle on surfaces, and leaves your home smelling fresh, Fantastik All-Purpose Cleaner with Bleach is the way to go. It's a must-have in any household cleaning arsenal. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.